Hi, it's Jackie, and I'm going to teach you how to clean your floors the Don Aslett way. You're going to first start by vacuuming or sweeping your hard floors, and then we're going to move to microfiber mopping. So this spray mop has the cleaning solution right here in the tank, and it's so easy. You just remove it out, and then you're going to fill it up under the tap with just tap water. The next step is putting your cleaning solution inside this spray mop tank, and I have these awesome floor pods that are dissolvable, and you just drop it inside, wait a few minutes, shake it up, and then you're ready to get cleaning. To begin mopping your floors, you're going to remove the microfiber pad and get it wet with just tap water. Wring it out, make sure it's not dripping, you just want it damp. That will help spread the solution evenly over your floor. And then you're going to spray your trigger to release the solution and then mop back over that space so that you have a sparkling clean floor. Here's a reminder to rinse your microfiber pad often in the sink. This will help eliminate streaky floors. Following these steps guarantees you a sparkling clean floor every time, so make sure to hit subscribe and join us next time for some more tips and tricks from Don Aslett.